Hello, fellow bossy women of Chicago. My name is Mel McSherry, and I am an international business development coach and speaker. And I'm excited to share with you a super quick tip on how you can start using speaking as a profitable and laser-focused lead generator for your business. Now, this is something that I have added to my sales funnel in the last year and a half, and within the first year was able to triple my annual income, all from lead generation from speaking for free. Now, I'm not going to walk you through the entire process of creating a signature talk because frankly, I don't have that much time and I don't want to overwhelm you, but I will give you the first tip on how you can create an authentic connection that will help you generate leads and sales faster. And that is creating a powerful and authentic and connecting message. Now, what is a message? Well, first I'm going to tell you what a message is not. A message is not vague, it is not a sales pitch, and it is not an itemized thing of every single service and result that you can give. A message is how you're going to introduce yourself at networking events as well as in your marketing that connect people to you on an emotional and deep level. So your message is an authentic, emotional connection that help people instantly recognize if they either want to work with you or can instantly recognize who they want to refer you to. So here is a quick example of what a message is not. Hi, my name is Mel McSherry. I coach women on time management so they can save time and build a bigger business so they can make more money. Okay, so you get what I do. I work with women. I help them with time management and they can build business. Great. You know, if you heard somebody say that, you'd be like, cool, all right. Now here is a way to reframe that will create a little bit more of a lean-in factor. Hi, my name is Mel McSherry. I work with women in business and women business owners who are exhausted and overwhelmed by everything they think they need to do in order to be successful. When they work with me, I slash their stress by showing them how to prioritize their time, their profit avenues, and themselves especially correctly so they can create the business, the money, and the life they want fast. Now, which one of those would you go, to? That is the power of the message, and that is the start of how to create the fast path to profit and freedom through speaking.